Hey, all curious mind. I'm once again here in this midnight in live streaming. This is actually unexpected live streaming. I was trying to sleep, but I don't know what's happened. I cannot sleep at this midnight. It is now almost 2 o'clock exactly, but I cannot feel sleep really. So I came here and I was doing my data analysis. Data analysis means I have some task from my lab. I have to do it within next week. I don't know what's happened, but I cannot feel sleepy. So I decided to come in live streaming right now. Let's see how many people can watch me. Actually, hi, need George, yo man, I can listen you. Can you listen my voice? Can you make sure that you are listening my voice? Hello? Hello? I don't know what's happened. Something is problem in every live streaming. Whenever I come live streaming, I face more or less problem. Like right now, hey, need George. I have been wondering if there is answer has something to. I have been wondering if the answer has something to do with the imaginary answer number one. No, this is not related with imaginary number. You are quite. You are going through a right way, but I'm not asking that much complex answer question, because imaginary number, if I ask most of my audience, they cannot understand. Just make me sure that can you make listen my voice? Can you say yes or no? Just I want to make sure the sound quality is pretty good and you can listen my voice. Nidjori, are you there? Okay, I think you gone. Well, I'm here to ask you one question. If I ask you 60 minus 60, what is the answer? Obviously, you would answer that 60 minus 60 is equal to 0. But if I say, I can hear you just fine. Thank you, man. Thank you for your replies, honest reply. Actually, I am in live to Laudi Alvis. Hi, Laudi. Thank you for joining. Okay, I am just live streaming because of one reason. I try to sleep now, but I cannot sleep because I have some problem. Like next week, I have submit some report, scientific report from my lab. So that lab report is not completed yet. Not lab report. This is actually some publications. So before Friday, I have to complete it. So this is a big tension for me. I was doing my data analysis after coming from office in the evening. Until 11 o'clock I went to sleep, and I feel I cannot feel sleepy because I don't know, maybe this bad weather is changing here in Germany. So I decided to come in live streaming, and I already launched a new series of videos, so called Fun of Mathematics. In there, that series, I just launched on video named how to prove 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. Total 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, but I mathematically prove that 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. You can check my other videos, that is regular videos, not live show. You can see just latest video last Tuesday I already uploaded. It is very funny video, and almost 95% people cannot reply where is the mistake. Actually, this is not the mistake. I did not follow the rules of mathematics. That's the thing. You can have a look. Of course, be sure you will be amazed, and it will make you laugh. And right now I make one more thing. 60 minus 60 is equal to 59. I decided to come to share with you. If you know the answer, just leave in the comment section. I want to see how many people can instantly reply this. 60 minus 60 is equal to 59. I can give you some hints. There is no imaginary number, there is no complex thing. Simple, just change the units. This is the hints. I'm telling again. 60 is one unit, 60 is same unit. Sorry, see, first 60 is one kind of unit, second 60 is another kind of unit, and result is this second unit. So try to imagine what's the result. 60 minus 60 is equal to 59. It is very funny. So I decided to make this type of funny mathematical series in Fun of Mathematics video every Tuesday around 2 o'clock, 2 to 3 o'clock. So you can have a look. I already uploaded my first video that explain how 2 plus 2 is equal to 5, not 4. You can have a look in my other videos. So who else can reply it? Already Need Gori. I'm sorry if I cannot pronounce your name. Somehow this guy told me that it's related with the imaginary number. No, this is not imaginary number. This is very pretty simple math. Just change the unit. First unit 60, second unit is 60. Then you can get the answer. Who all else want to reply? 60 minus 60 is equal to 59. Let's see how many people can understand. So when you say 60 minus 60 is 59, are you saying mathematics is only a concept we created? Lol, I wanna know the answer though. Yeah, I will reveal the answer at the end of my live streaming, maybe 20 or 25 minutes. Be sure, I will. Don't worry, I will reveal the answer. Well, mathematics is not a concept. Mathematics is actually the logic. So I already wrote the headings of my video. This is kind of fun. So please read my description. I already clearly mentioned there. Don't take this mathematical solution seriously, because this is just for fun. And many times I mention that I skip the ground rule of mathematics. That means I did not follow the step-by-step logical step of mathematics. That means I skip many steps or few steps or one steps of mathematics. As a result, I got the funny result. So don't take it seriously. I hope you got your answer. Okay, but 60 minus 60 is equal to 59. That is absolutely true. I will tell it in this video or end of this video, or maybe I will make another video. But this is really nice. 60 minus 60 is 59. I can give you one more funny math. I already upload another video. 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. I prove it mathematically, and it's very difficult. This is one of the funny math equation. I would like to say this is viral math. I'm sorry then. Need or. Need your. Am I right now? I hope I'm right. Thank you for your correction. I'm sorry, and yeah, need your. I don't know where you have been from, but accent is depends on country to country. Like in German, your accent is need your in German accent. Anyways, it's you on me. How? This is secret. If I reveal my secret, then I can I can terminate this live streaming. Well, of course, I will reveal this secret. Okay, for your curiosity, I am revealing this secret. Maybe other people will watch once again. Actually, first 60 is one kind of unit, and second 60 is another kind of unit. And yeah, one unit to another unit, you just convert it, you will get 59. For example, shall I tell it right now? This is just 5% is watching. Let's see if I watch 10 live streaming. Sorry, 10 people are watching, I will reveal it, promise. Okay, I got it now. You are funny. Needs your. You are really funny. I like your fun. Yeah, you watch it many times, but can you tell me what is the wrong? 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. Which ground rules of mathematics was skipped in this solution? 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. Can you tell it here, please? Because it is too much. Even when I watch this video in another channel, I was really surprised because I don't know, first time I tried 2 hours. You cannot believe. Okay, I'm telling. Actually 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. I saw this viral video 2 years before now. That time I was university student. Just I finished my study, master study, and then just I supposed to take my lunch, and before lunch hour normally I play any kind of interesting video, whatever, science or any kind of comedy series, and this video came automatically by YouTube suggestion, 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. So I open it, I saw this is really interesting, and first 2 hours I was unable to solve this video, solve this problem. Where is the skipping part? I mean, where that guy skip the ground rule of mathematics. I mean, some part of this math don't follow the rules of mathematics. That is not logical. 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. It's not logical. So where it was logical, I tried 2 hours and I was failed. Then I go through Google. Google has no answer, no good answer. So I went to library next day and I saw some mathematical books, and I saw there is a skipping ground rules of mathematics, and it was very much tricky. And I feel, to be honest, I'm working in a nanotechnology field. I'm a nanotechnologist personally. Even I needed more than 1 day to find out this problem. Need Jory, if you can, please, can you reveal the answer? 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. How is it possible? 2 Aussies. Hi guys. Hi man. Welcome in my live streaming. I ask a question. 60 minus 60 is equal to 59. Can you reply this answer? So far I know 5 people already got this question. Nobody was able to answer it. I want to see who can answer it. People who can answer it, he has a surprise gift for sure. I will be live streaming in 30 minutes. I want to see how many people can answer it. So far I know no people can answer. 60 minus 60 is equal to 59. Believe me, this is fun. And don't consider it is very simple, complex, so it is very simple math. Just, I cannot say, this is your show. If we all left, would you left to only one person? Okay. Well, I'm revealing it since you are impatient at this point. First 60 is 60 minute and second 60 is 60 second. So 60 minute minus 60 second is equal to 59 minute. This is the simple. And from the beginning I am telling that just change the unit. I'm telling it 60 minute minus 60 second is equal to 59 minutes. You got your answer, George Jorir. Need your, I'm sorry. This is midnight here. I can show you here. This is 2:14. Actually, my head is spinning right now. You got your answer, yes or no? Are we satisfied? You left? Okay. Actually, this is just for fun. As you told that mathematics all time don't... You knew it. So why you did not reply it? Yeah, I'm not smart, I am intelligent. Actually, smart and intelligent is completely different. Smart is something, anyone could be smart, but anyone cannot be intelligent. So I demand I am intelligent. Anyways, I'm kidding. Actually, this is fun mathematics. I have this type of almost 15 to 20 fun mathematics, like 2 plus 2 is equal to 5, 59, 60 minus 60 is equal to 59, and 0 over 0 is equal to 2. This type of fun mathematics I have almost 20. So next 20 weeks, every week I will upload this type of videos, and hopefully you will enjoy it. And be sure every mathematics will bring you laugh. After 4 to 5 minutes watching my videos, every mathematics will bring you laugh. So some people are joining right now. I don't know, they missed the answer. Anyways, they will find out where is the answer. Okay, I'm asking again the question, 60 minus 60 is equal to 59. How is it possible? Yeah, I agree. Intelligence is power. I figured it was either an oversimplification or an hour minis. Well, you just thought, Nidjor, you just thought very complicated way, and from the beginning of my streaming I am telling that don't think so much complicated way, because whenever you tell this complex number I am sure that you are thinking very high level, because I am not asking anything about the high level, because most of the audience in my channel, they are I mean they cannot solve very high level question. For that reason I am asking very normal level question. Anyways, thank you for your genius starting at the beginning of my streaming. I really like you, because few number of people know what is complex number, what is imaginary number. You know it. I'm really happy. So I hope you can watch my next video. Next video will be most interesting. I can give you some hints. Okay, I will make the video that will prove that $1 is equal to 1 cent by mathematically. I'm telling once again, I'm making one video that will be published in this Tuesday, that in that video I will prove that $1 is equal to 1 cent. Mathematically I'll prove that. There I will skip a small ground rule of mathematics, I'm telling, but it is very tricky way. It is very difficult. It will be very difficult to catch for general people. People who are really genius, they can catch it. Otherwise it will be very difficult to catch. So I think 3 people are only watching me. I'm not popular in live streaming. I can continue live stream maximum how many minutes? 13 minutes maximum. See how many people can. Okay, you can ask me any kind of question. If it is possible, I will reply. Who is there right now? Nidjor, you already gone? People coming and going. That's not good. Who else is here in live streaming? Ask me any scientific question. I will reply you. Someone is here, but she is keeping silence. I know who is she. Risky TV, good morning for you and good night from Germany. Hi man, I ask you a question. I throw a question to all my audience that how is it possible 60 minus 60 is equal to 59? Can we reply it? Just think very simple way. Don't go in complicated way. Richki TV, can we reply it? 60 minus 60 is equal to 59. Just think funny way and try to solve it. It's within online one sentence as you can solve it. Richki TV, I already revealed the answer. You can find anywhere in my video. So Nidjor, I feel you have wide knowledge on mathematics and science. If you would like, you can ask any question. I would try or we can discuss it. Did you hear my announcement? I already announced that I will upload another funny mathematical video on this Tuesday about in that video I will prove that $1 is equal to 1 cent, mathematically proof within 4 to 5 sentence I will prove like high school level mathematics, grade 5 or grade 6 level mathematics, just multiplication. So the machine you showed us before, did you reveal the smallest unit it could measure? Nirjor, I think you are asking about the ellipsometry, right? Right? Just before my last video, I revealed a video. It's called ellipsometer. I used it personally, regularly. I used it, but nowadays I'm not using it. But I know how to use it. It's one of the expensive machine. It's called ellipsometer. Ellipsometer can measure minimum of nanometer range. So far I measured it is 2 nanometer. So less than 2 nanometer we can measure as well picometer range. Unfortunately, picometer range don't give better resolution. Like we are getting very shaky image. The measurement is not quite fine, because if you go picometer means it's less than nanometer. You know, hopefully. So I would like to say I measured it maximum 2 nanometer titanium dioxide thin film by using that profilometer. It was like 5 months or 6 months before now, but nowadays I am using another kind of thin film, that is solid thin film. I am using profilometer to measure that. That is another scenario, but I am talking about the ellipsometer. Ellipsometer normally use the how to say, incident laser, that incident on the surface, thin film surface, and it's polarized laser, and this laser is reflected from this thin film, and this reflected beam is detected by a detector, polarized detector. And normally the incident beam and reflected beam, they have different kind of polarization. So this detector detect how much polarized light is reflected from the thin film surface. From this reflected polarized light or laser beam, the detector calculate the refractive index of the thin film, refractive index of this air, and refractive index of the substrate. And by this way it has pre-calculated software, and that software use its pre-calibrated data. Actually I am just puzzling right now. This is midnight, I cannot talk so well. Okay, I am repeating once again. Incident laser beam, that incident on the surface, incident laser beam is polarized, and whenever it is reflected from the thin film surface, it is go back and it's change the polarization, and this detector detect this polarized light, and this detector send the signal in pre-programmed software. That software tell us that how much is the thickness. That is the basic of this profilometer. Sorry, not profilometer, this is so-called ellipsometer. Because and main working principle of ellipsometer is its use refractive index. Refractive index means air has refractive index, this thin film has refractive index, and the substrate, on top of the substrate we deposit the thin film. This three refractive index is compared, and the machine is automatically measured the thickness. So to reply your question, reply your answer, I would like to say I measure minimum 2 nanometer range. I try to go down than 2 nanometer range, but the resolution is not good. I got very lot of background noise with this measurement. So better 2 nanometer is better for my opinion. I hope you answered, get the answer. Maybe some other guy, because this machine is pretty much sensitive, very much sensitive. Even if you move your hand, you can get a lot of background noise. That is the main problem. So I would like to say it's really difficult to get a vibration less environment to measure precise thickness. Cody Spinks. Hi Cody, welcome in my live streaming. Okay, I think I need to go to school for the, because I am more. Hi Cody, you got my answer? I'm fine. What about you? I asked a question that 60 minus 60 is equal to 59. Can you reply the answer? 60 minus 60 is equal to 59. I already replied. Just simple, change the unit. 60 is one unit, 60 is another unit, and result will be another unit. You can try. Yeah, need sure. Actually, this type of nanomaterials based machineries takes pretty long time to understand really, because I needed many literatures and many days to understand this. Yeah, well, nanometer is 10 power 9 and picometer is 10 power 12. That means it's 1000 times smaller than nanometer. Not 500 of nanometer. 1000 times. Because nanometer is 10 power 9 and picometer is 10 power 12. So difference is 10 power 3. 10 power 3 means 1000. So 1 nanometer is equal to 1000 picometer. You got my point? Not 500. You are writing wrong. It would be 1000 of nanometer. That means 1 nanometer is equal to 1000 picometer. Pretty simple logic. I'm telling once again. 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power 9 meter. 1 picometer is equal to 10 to the power 12 meter. That means 10 to the power 9 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power 12 meter. If you eliminate them or divided them, subtract them, you can get 1 nanometer is equal to 10 to the power 3 picometer. That means 1 nanometer is equal to 1000 picometer. Okay. Well, this type of nanomaterials based equipment takes pretty long time to understand, really very much long time it takes. For me, sometimes it takes 1 week continuous study about that manual, manufacturer guide, some literature and so on. Still, I cannot understand because I'm working in a nanotechnology field last 5 years. Last 5 years. I deal with XRD, X-ray diffractometer, I deal with profilometer, I deal with ellipsometer, I deal with photolithography, I'll deal with atomic layer deposition. I was expert in atomic layer deposition on upon a time. I was supervisor on that machine. Every machine takes a lot of time to understand really. All of the nanomaterials based machineries is too much complex, especially the basic. If someone want to know the basic real what's exactly happens, it's really complex. Maybe you know that. I'm not sure what you are working with right now. I'm working with polymer based nanomaterials right now. I cannot tell it where I'm working, but I'm working in a polymer based nanomaterials. We are trying to, our research group is trying to develop a device for nanomaterial based I mean, this is fascinating project. I cannot reveal it because of my project is pretty hidden. So okay, in USADA I really don't know this machine. Yeah, really I don't know this machine because there are a lot of machineries in the world, in the scientific community, and it's really difficult to understand every machineries. Need sure, I think my camera will be shut down within 1.5 minutes because it is 28 minutes and 38 seconds. My camera shutter keep steady state on 30 minutes. I want to see whether it is going to shut down my camera or not. If it is shut down, I'm sorry for that. I will catch you later and we will communicate to each other to discuss more and more. I don't know what you are studying and what is your topics of research and which topics you are interested about. Whatever you are interested about, I am uploading regular video in my channel. Maybe sometimes random video, quality less lit video, quality full video, all kind of scientific related video I am uploading in my channel. If you are interested, please have a look and please discuss it. I would be happy. I want to learn from, I am not expert, believe me. In scientific world nobody is expert. I want to discuss with you guys so that I can learn from you, you can learn from me. That's the beauty of science. Okay, so I don't know which topics you are interested about. Whatever topics you are interested about, come to my discussion. I don't know, you are running maybe a scientific channel, I will have a look as well. So let's discuss each other and learn from each other. That's the beauty of science. Maybe my camera will shut down. I want to see whether it will shut down or not. Oh, few seconds left only. If it is shut down, I'm sorry. Then see you next live. Oh no, it is not shutting down. I don't work in anything scientific. I comment you on your knowledge. Thanks for sharing. I will check out anything. Hey man, my camera is not shutting down. I'm really happy. It's more than 30 minutes. That means I can continue my live for more than 30 minutes. That's a good symbol as long as the battery go. Okay, Nidjor, you don't need to work in the scientific world. Just keep a curious mind. That's all. Most probably you are from USA, so far I understood. Just keep a curious mind, because I know many people they are working in a labor class. I'm sorry, I'm not comparing, just I'm telling the truth. I know many people they are working in restaurant. I was in a restaurant 5-6 months before now, and I saw one guy. He was a chef, simple chef, and he was talking about nanoparticle. I was really surprised. I asked him, how did you know this nanoparticle? He says, I know from my curiosity. I read the literature from the internet. I watch the video, funny video. I watch other video from YouTube, and from my curiosity I know the nanoparticle. Nanoparticle, normally people cannot understand the nanoparticle and nanotechnological things, but I surprised. That guy is pretty simple chef, and he know that all topics. Few topics are quite fascinating. I just watch at her face. I told him, I'm a nanotechnologist. You are telling about nanotechnology to me. That means I'm really happy. So you don't need to work in a scientific field. Just keep your curious mind. That's all. That's really important. That's really important. I'm happy that at least I got someone who is really interested about science and scientific phenomena. Well, actually, I am not 100% perfect sometimes. I'm a young researcher, nothing else. I'm working in Max Planck Institute in Germany. I'm completely young researcher. Still now I'm learning from my supervisor, from my co-worker, from my student. I have this semester I have total 20 students in bachelor student, and I teach them in nanomaterials based topics, especially polymer based nanomaterials. So I also see them, they have really curiosity about nanotechnology. I'm watching really many people are interested. I'm happy to work in this field. So I will be very happy if someone asks me question. Maybe I will learn something from that question. Okay, I would like to share one experience with you guys. This last summer semester, I'm dealing some German student, bachelor student. They are really genius. So first day when I entered inside the lecture hall, I was very simple t-shirt and some casual dress. They thought I am also the student. So I was just hitting the board, hey, keep silence and listen to me. They were thinking I'm their friend, and they are shouting just for fun. It was early in the morning. And then I told them, this is my first lecture in my life, and you are my first student in my life here in Germany. Do you know what they did? They had something, I don't know the name. It was a showpiece I have in my bag, and somehow one guy has that showpiece, very precise and expensive showpiece, and he came and he says, you are welcome, and this is your first gift from our class. I was really surprised. They are my first student in Germany. I really like them. Nobody is here. Hi, who left just right now? I'm happy that my camera is not shutting down after 30 minutes. Who want to ask a question? Let's gossip. right now. Well, I'm not teacher. George needs Jor. I'm not teacher. Actually, what's happened? I'm working in a research institute. I told you, in Max Planck Institute, Germany. So my supervisor is actually the teacher of that class. What's happened? Sorry. My supervisor means my boss. He's the teacher, and sometimes he hand over his entire lecture to his best student. Best student means best researcher. I have really a good reputation in my research team, and I know that topics very well. So my supervisor told me, okay, it will be a great experience for you if you continue this lecture. So go to this lecture this week, and next week, if your performance is really well, I will let you continue this lecture over and over again for this whole semester. So first lecture, it was really funny because I made some fun with my student. I know German people are really fun loving people, and especially for the young age, they are like 17 years 18 years kid, teenage, and they love fun. So I made 50% fun and 50% lecture beside of this lecture, and they like me, and they report that we really enjoy this young guy. And my boss told me, okay, you are lucky that they like you, and you continue your lecture, and let's see what's happened next 2 weeks. And next 2 weeks, I just follow the same procedure. I make them laugh in English, and yeah, they were laughing. Sometimes I use German, sometimes I use English, and they were really recommend that we like this guy. Actually, this is not my lecture, this is lecture from my boss. So I am just giving the proxy, and next semester, this means this coming semester, I will give them again the same lecture, but another batch. So I am not really teacher, I'm just a researcher. I'm doing research in polymer based nanotechnological field. But yeah, it's really interesting to be a teacher because they respect me, and whenever I tell something, they watch me, they give me attention. That's really interesting. And it's more interesting whenever I evaluate this paper. Whenever I evaluate this paper, their exam paper, it's really risky and responsible work, because if I do a mistake, they might get low mark, or they might get failed or something like that. I never ask question, because I mean final question is made from by my supervisor. I never ask that question, and what I cannot tell anything else here in this live streaming, because something should be secret. So yeah, that's all. I think nobody is watching my live streaming except you need your, or more than 3 languages, you kill it. Well, I know my mother language is Bengali, and I know English, I know German, I know a little bit French, and I know Hindi. This total 5 languages so far I know. Not 5 actually, I know 4. I know French a little bit, very little bit. Bengali I can fluently speak, English I can fluently speak, German I can fluently speak, Hindi I can fluently speak, and French a little bit, not so much. And I'm trying to catch Spanish language, but yeah, I speak German as well. I speak 4 languages, not 3. One is Bengali, I told you already. Second is English. Third is German. Fourth is Spanish, Hindi. These 4 languages I can understand and speak fluently. Yeah, I am from Bangladesh. I am from Bangladesh. I did my masters here in 2015, and then I joined in a research institute here in Germany. Yeah, I am from Bangladesh. You are absolutely right. I came here in Germany 2012. Do you know my country? Most of the people think I am from India. I'm not from India really. India and Bangladeshi people are looking similar to each other. I mean, it's really difficult to distinguish who is from India, who is from Bangladesh, who is from Pakistan, because our outlooking is pretty much similar. Our accent is English accent is pretty much similar as well. I was expected some other audience from US at this time, because so far I know this is the evening time in USA. Am I right? Need Jor? I think this is evening time in USA. 3 o'clock means 6, 7, 3, 6. That's answer. That's awesome. See, I should not move to Germany for school. Europe appreciate education more. Yeah, you are true. What is the education system in Europe? Do you know? In Germany, all students have to study in English nowadays, because when I came in Germany 2012, even I did not know any German language, any German word, very few, one or two German word, Dankeschön, Bitteschön, mein Name, blah blah blah, this type of basic things. So when I go to supermarket, they don't understand English at all because most of them are old generation. They did not learn English. So German government or German people realized last 20 years that they need to be multicultural, and nowadays last 10 years all German schools, they have mandatory rules that all students have to learn English. This is mandatory nowadays in German. For that reason new generation students, they can speak fluently German, but old generation German, they cannot speak German. That is the main story. And yeah, that is the main story. Okay, George, need George. I have a friend named George. Several times his name is coming in my mind. I don't know why. Maybe I love him. Need George. I have to go right now because my battery is blinking. Beam, 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 beam. It is my mistake that I did not charge my camera battery. So stick with me, and if you have any question after my video, please. Okay, to whom you join later, singing from creator. Hi, singing for the creator. You are welcome in my last moment of my streaming. I am going to offline. Okay, for your honor, I am keeping on to 2 minutes. If it is shut down, I am sorry. I ask you a question. What is the answer? 60 minus 60 is equal to 59. How is it possible? If you know the answer, please reply it in the comment section. Okay, correct, 9:40 p.m. Yeah, I guess so, because in Germany is Eastern ahead than USA 5 hours maybe. I have dream to visit in California and Grand Canyon. That place I really love to go. If I get chance somehow, I will travel to Grand Canyon. Really, I love that place. I never been there, but I would like to go. Singing for the creators. I am bad at math. I already revealed the answer at any point of my streaming. If you want and if you are curious really, you can find the answer. But yeah, but this is fun, of course. 60 minus 60 is equal to 59. This is really fun. I can give you some hints. Just change the unit. 60 is one unit, minus 60 is another unit. Do you know, I already upload another video and there I explain. Yeah, it's trick question. For that reason I should rename this this type of video. Sorry, this video I upload under a series of video. It's this album name is Fun of Mathematics, because this is funny and this don't follow the mathematical rules. Pretty simple. There are some tricks or there are some skipping of ground rule of mathematics. So don't be serious. No. 60 minus 60. Yeah, singing for the creator. 60 minus 60 is not 0. I mean, normally, according to the normal mathematics, yeah, 60 minus 60 is equal to 0. But 60 minus 60, according to fun, this is not 0. This is 59. Okay, I'm telling you, 60 is minutes and minus 60 is second. So 60 minutes minus 60 seconds is equal to 59 minutes. You get my answer? Yes or no? Write it. I am repeating, 60 minutes minus 60 seconds. This 60 seconds means 1 minute. So 60 minutes minus 1 minute is equal to 59 minutes. Pretty simple. You got me? Give me a high five. Hey. Singing for the creator. Well, for your kind information, I should tell you one more thing, that I made another video that already I have been uploaded last Tuesday, in where I prove that 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. This is more fun. You can have a look in that video. 2 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay, singing for the creator. Exactly. Wow, this is nice idea. The answer is on the clock. Super. I forgot. You are really creative, man. Needs your. I should think like this way. The answer is on the clock. Yeah. Okay, singing for the creator. I made, for your kind information, I'm repeating, I made another video where I explained that 2 plus 2 is equal to 5, not 4. If you are really interested, I'm giving you guarantee you will laugh. This is very simple, just plus and minus. You have to just multiplication, plus addition and subtraction, nothing else. It is very funny. You can have a look, just my last video. Last week Tuesday I uploaded that video. Yeah, sure. I appreciate your last comment. Yeah, no problem. I'm with you. Just let me finish this streaming, okay? But don't go. Today I'm happy that I got Mexico Plus. Hey Mexico Plus, welcome in my live streaming. I am almost 46 minutes and I ask a question. Yeah, sure, I would be glad. Singing for the creator. Hola, hola, ¿cómo está? Mexico Plus. Hola, ¿cómo está? Yeah, I like rap music really. Need your. I love rap music. Yeah, of course, I would like to play it. Mexico Plus. Hola, ¿cómo está? Was bedeutet? Good, good. Haha, you know Spanish. I know very few words of Spanish. I know hola, ¿cómo está? And despacito. Despacito means langsam. Langsam is German. English is slowly. Despacito from this music. I'm sorry, Mexican Plus. I'm sorry, brother. Or sister, or friend. I cannot understand your Spanish really. I know only the German, English, Bengali, Hindi, and a little bit French. I'm sorry, I cannot really understand the Spanish. But I will translate your word after my live streaming. Promise. Need your. Yeah, I'm coming back to you. Yeah, I love rap music. I really love it sometimes, especially whenever I have time. I just play it in the. I cannot show you here. I have just my loudspeaker here. I play my music and I love music, of course. Yeah, Despacito. I love that music. Despacito. Anyways, that is really famous music. Yeah, I love rap music. Do you know who is my favorite band? What is my favorite band? Linkin Park. I really miss that guy. I don't know why he decided to suicide. I really miss that guy. Still now, from 2012 to right now, I don't know how many times I repeat his song over and over again. Bigginton. Oh, that man is awesome. Nidjor, who is your favorite band? What is your favorite band? That means you are creating rap music. I didn't know. Okay, I'm interested to check it, of course. If you are, then of course I would love it, because it's rare that one singer has interest to science. Mexico Plus, hey, I'm glad that you are still here. Don't go, brother. Need your Linkin Park. Hell yeah, he's passing hard. Man, you cannot. When I heard that he was dead, I mean, no star touch my heart. When some star died, it's just simple for me. But Bigginton, when I heard that he was dead, I mean, I was just shocked. Is it real or just fake? Then I searched to the internet. I see he is really dead. I cannot believe. Still now, I cannot believe he is dead. I'm one of the fan. I'm one of the fan of him. I don't know how many times I repeat his album, full album. How many times? You cannot believe. When I do the data analysis in my lab, sometimes I sit on the chair like 5 hours, 6 or 7 hours. I have a headphone. I am showing you. I have a headphone and I keep that headphone for 5, 6, 7 hours. This is Bluetooth headphone, and I listen his music 5, 6, 7 hours continuously. Still now, from 2012 to, I don't know, this is maybe craziness or something like that. Anyways, MF Dome and Alt Sweatshirt. Yeah. I will check it. I will check it out surely. Still now my camera is going on. Oh my goodness. You cannot believe the battery is just blinking. Boom, 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 boom. And still now, I think battery is charging somehow from the laptop. Nidjor, have you ever been listen any Hindi music, Indian music or Asian music? Because that continent is really famous for old music. They have their own reputation. Because India, they have their own culture about the music, about their culture. I'm not asking about the other thing, just I'm asking about the music. His music was raw as he was. I listened to Jimi Hendrix and Jenny. Yeah. Lot too. Very greatest. Yes. I agree with you. Jimmy, yeah. I love him. I don't have too much experience about the rock music really, because I just randomly listen rock music, not too much specific band or something like that. Whenever I play rock music, some recommendation come in YouTube, I just play them. If it is not well enough, I just skip them and go to the next one. And this way, actually I don't have so much preference that I love or I am fascinated to this guy or that guy, except Linkin Park. Linkin Park is another scenario. Yeah, Spanish music, they are famous. I know. Well, I don't listen Hindi music. Okay, Nidjor, I don't listen too much Hindi music, but I can recommend you some. You can have a look in internet. That's simple. I mean, in YouTube, you can find a lot of Hindi music. Actually, I don't have any favorite Hindi music. I can speak Hindi, but I don't have any favorite Hindi music really. Okay, another one is here. Road Trip Lover. Hey, Road Trip Lover. Hey, I'm here to say thank you. Yeah, you're welcome. You're welcome in my live stream. I like your channel, so I will stay with you for a long time. Thank you for your commitment. I don't know. Yeah, I saw you in my video. Thank you so much for being with me. Sure, be friend. Thank you so much. And I ask a question in this live streaming today right now. I ask, how is it possible 60 minus 60 is equal to 59? Okay, Need Jor, he give me a quick hints, very nice hints. 60 minus 60 is equal to 59. The answer is hidden on the clock, watch or clock. Just look at your watch. Yeah, you are welcome. Thank you so much. Road trip lover. I think you love road trip. Which road do you love more? Silky Road? So far I understood you are from China, right? There is a road name in China so called Silky Road or Silk Road, might be. This is very old road. Can you give me some information about those road? Hello road trip lover. Would you try to road trip lover? Would you like to try to solve this problem? 60 minus 60 is equal to 59. I can give you hints. 60 is one kind of unit and next 60 is another kind of unit, and result will be different. And answer is hidden in the watch, wall clock, timing clock, timing watch. Don't think so much. The answer is within one sentences. Very simple answer. Don't be confused. It is high school, not high school level. It is very primary level. There is no calculation. I am giving you more hints. No calculation, nothing. Someone is joining right now. Need Jor, I would like to ask you one thing. Do you know the AND gate, NOR gate, NOT gate, this type of logic gate in mathematics or in electronics? Normally this type of gate is used in the electronics. AND gate, NOR gate, NOT gate, this type of things. Do you know? I am planning a video, new video about these topics. Logic gate. Very funny video. If you know, then you will be interested. If you don't know, then I will just first couple of minutes I will teach what is the word gate, logical gate. It will be another funny video, be sure. I don't know, when people come in live they got many audience, but for me I got only 1 or 2 audience. This is my bad luck, so sad. Maybe I am not popular. Who else can reply my question? 60 minus 60 is equal to 59. All talented people are welcome. Yes, I think so. German time is 5. Need your Germany time is 5 hours ahead of US time. Yeah, it's absolutely. But I forgot, maybe 5 hours or 6 hours. You are right, 5 hours. So if I went live tomorrow when it is 8 p.m. in Germany, is it 8 p.m. in Germany? All right, I will remind, because tomorrow is Sunday. I will be in home, no problem. Yeah, you are welcome. Of course. Thank you for letting this know. Okay. Try to come 8 o'clock, then I will wait for you. Sure.